Good morning, children. Hope everybody are fine. So today in this session, I'll just go on with the overview of chapter 2, class 4 mathematics, different views, different sides. These all things in today whatever I'm saying you, please make a note in your classwork. Okay? Anyhow it is completed. These are just the notes. Different views of 3D shapes. In your classwork, children, draw this diagram, the side view, front view, and a top view of a hut. Draw this also, children. Different views of a 3D shape using a bus. Draw the front view, side view, and the top view. Before this, just write your name, class, the lesson name. Okay. Lesson name, chapter, neatly and with bold letters. And please don't cross the margin. Write within inside the margin itself. Okay, draw this also. These are the pictures which you see it when you have different views of a bus. The front view, side view, and the top view. Then next, write the heading 2D shapes and their images in their views of 2D shapes. Okay, write down the definition there. Two-dimensional shapes. The plane shapes have two measurements like length and breadth are called 2D shapes. Okay, this is enough, and draw all the diagrams. These diagrams are the views of the 2D shapes. Okay, then next one, 3D shapes. Draw the shapes. These are the views of the 3D shapes. Down write the definition. Three-dimensional shapes, the objects which have the extensions in three directions, that is length, breadth, and height, are called three-dimensional shapes. Okay, write the definition, children. Then draw the view of a hut here. The first one is the 3D diagram of a hut, and the different views are given here: front view, side view, and the top view. Similarly, for a glass, draw the diagram of a glass. The side view and the top view is given here. Draw the same diagrams, children. The next one, take some more objects and draw it. First one is the almirah. Yes, mark it first in the 3D diagram and then draw the different views. The next one is a matchbox. The same here, a television, a car. Okay, these are some of the examples and their views, representation of a 3D objects. And here it is a military tent, a nut, a dice, a table, a hexagonal block, a solid. Draw these also, children, and also indicate the different views of these objects. Okay, draw it neatly and correctly. Okay, children. Then next, get back to your textbook. In your textbook, page number 9, you have this. Given below are some of the pictures of objects, and you have to mark T means top view. We have to represent it in the what is the view you have to identify and represent T as a top view and S as a side view. Okay, children. So these diagrams also you have to draw it, and in the box you should write the answers. Now see here, I have given you the answers here. I have marked T and S beside those objects. Okay, the same way you mark it in your classwork, children, and draw the diagrams neatly. Then next, Get back to your textbook, page number 10. You have a question there. Given below are the three pictures of a location. Can you identify which is taken from the front, which is taken from the back, and which from the side? Okay. So draw the diagram of this same scenery. You draw it, the hut and the tree, and here different views are there. You have to write the names of those views. Okay. Similarly, of the next diagram of a car and a man sitting with the fruits. Okay, their views also. Draw the diagram, and in the next page you have the answers here. You can see here front. First picture is the front one, second picture is the back one, third picture is the side one. And similarly for the car, first one is the side one, second one is the back one, and third one is the front one. Okay, children, draw it neatly, correctly. Then next, go to page number 11. Write the question, draw the diagram of a classroom with a teacher, and then A, B, C, D, E. These are few of the questions. Okay, first one. So in the next page, you have the answers here. First one, how many children do they see? Answer is 9 children. Next question, what is the teacher doing? Answer is teacher is writing on the board. The next one, what is there on the teacher's table? Answer is book. D question, how many children have opened books on their table? So the answer is 6 children. So can you draw a diagram on the teacher's chair? Yes, I can. And also children, draw the diagram of a chair and a book on the teacher's chair. Okay, children, and no need to do this. Try this in your, no need to do this activity. Try this activity here. Don't do it. Leave that question. Okay. Then get back to page number 12. Mithu and Meena flew away from the school and started crossing the field. They looked down and saw this view. Okay, draw this diagram also, children. We have the questions here for this diagram. How many huts are there around the school? Answer is 4 huts. What shape do they look like from top? Answer is oval shape, but not exactly oval. Okay. The next B question, how many trees are there? Answer is 4 trees. C question, how many vehicles are there on the road? Answer is 2 vehicles. The second part of the question, guess what they could be? So for that answer is bicycle and motorcycle. You can see it here. Then next D question, how many animals can you see? So the answer is 3 animals. E question, how many round shape objects do you see? Yes, how many objects you can see here? The chimney hole, the well, and the sink there in the in the in the graveyard. Then a ball, the ball shape. So these are all the round shape object. If you count it, you will get it 4. Okay. So 4 round shape objects. The next question, what are the other things that you can see in the picture? Discuss with your friends. So this answer I have written it on the top, children. So what is the answer here? Next, apart from those all things, you have what things you can see in the picture? Okay, a man sleeping on the cot. You can see beside the house, beside a hut, first hut, there is a man sleeping on the cot. Then children are playing in the school. Okay, that type of question is also not asked. And one more thing you can see is a street light is there. Yes or no? You can see a street light here. Yes, children. Then next, a school building. Okay, these all things you can observe apart from the questions which is asked in this. Okay, the next question. Now Mithu and Meena are flying over another place. So it is a place. What is the place here? Railway station. Okay, so these questions also in this one you have the answers, children. So you can see this. Yes, it is a railway station. Just observe it. Then let us get back to the answers. So first, A1, how many railway tracks do you see? So how many you can see it, children? Just correct the answer, children. It is 2 railway tracks. Okay, there is a mistake here. Just correct the answer. 2 railway tracks. Then next question. Actually, you can see that A and B have just wrote it reverse. Okay, so B answer is 1 track. But I have written A answer and B answer is reverse, children. Okay, so how many railway tracks do you see? 2 railway tracks. And B question, on how many tracks the train is present? Only on 1 track. You can see here only on 1 track train is present. Okay, so just reverse the answers here. You write it correctly, children. Don't say that teacher you have written like that so we wrote it. Okay. The C question, what are the other things that you see in the picture? Discuss with your friends. Okay, so what all other things you can see in the picture? The passengers waiting for the train. Passengers are sitting on the bench. Hawkers selling items. Hawkers are nothing but the one who will sell the samosas and the snacks which are there. Yes, which you take it from the railway station. So those are called as the hawkers. Then D question, when we stand on a railway track, the track looks like this. Draw the diagram of a track also, children. Why does the railway track look broader on one side and narrower on the other? Okay, for this answer you should write down, children. Just complete the full sentences. Because the vision value increases as the magnification is decreased. Yes, vision value in the sense the how much ever far you are, the sightseeing value, the sight will be if you move far away from the place. Like if you view the go on with the satellite view, the satellite view is what your eye contact is. When you see from the top, the objects will look very small. Yes or no? That is called the satellite view. Okay, so here also the same. Here the what do you say, this picture is been taken from the top level. Okay, from very high place, from the air it has been taken, so the vision value is increased here. And the magnification is nothing but the sight seeing of the objects or the things which are being seen to us, that has been decreased, that are looking very small to us. Okay, so that is called magnification is decreased. This is a part of a physics, children. You will learn this in your higher classes. In your 6th class or 7th class you will be learning this. 7th. Okay. Okay, children. Now the next page number 14. Okay. So next E question, where else have you noticed this happening? So where else have you noticed this happening, children? We see the same type of experience on long highway. Yes or no? This type of experience or this type of images can be seen in the long highways. Mountains at farther distances. Yes. Whenever you see the mountains also, when you see it from the far, it looks like triangle shape. Okay, when you see them. But when you go near to them, it will look big. So from far, that is the vision. Vision is nothing but the eyesight. Okay, it is very small from far. The next one, draw these boxes, children. First one, there are 4 boxes here. Just this is the first layer of 4 boxes. I have written the numbers also. So how many boxes are there? 4 boxes. Okay, mark it and write down. The second question, how many boxes are there in each picture given below? Okay, A1, draw the diagram. Yes, so 4 boxes are there. Answer is 4 boxes. You can even mark it individually or else you can write the answer directly. Yes. B1 down in first step or first layer you have 4 boxes and in second layer you have 1 box. Total count is 5 boxes. Then C question. Yes. In first step you have 4. So in first step you have 4 boxes children and in the second step or second layer you have 1 box. So total count is 5 boxes. Again here also the same children. C and D answers are been reversed. Okay. So C answer is 5 and D answer is 6. Okay children, don't get yourself confused. Just a printing mistake by me. Okay. Just reverse the answers. C answer is 5. In first layer you have 4 boxes and in second layer 1 box. Total count is 5. And in D question, first layer you have 4 boxes and in the second layer you have 3 boxes. So here D answer is 7 children. What is the answer? 7. C1 is 5, D1 is 7. Yes children, C is 5, D is 7. Now let us see the E1. In first step how many we have? 5 in down. Yes, first layer is 5 and up one is 1. So that is 6 here. Okay children. So what is the answer here? E1 is 6. So C, D and E answers are reversed. Okay. Again I will repeat it children. C answer is 5. How many boxes? 5 boxes. C1 is 5 boxes. And D1 is how many boxes children? Down 4 plus 3. 7 boxes. D1 is answer is 7 boxes children. And E1 answer is, yes, down 5 plus 1. E answer is 6 children. Okay. Don't get yourself confused. Little here and there printing mistake children. The next F1 down 4 boxes first layer, then second layer 3 boxes, 4 plus 3 7 and in third layer it is 1 box. So how many you will get it? 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 3 plus 1 8. Yes children, 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. F answer is 8. Okay, then the last one G. Down 4 boxes first layer, second layer 3 boxes, 4 plus 3, how much? 7. 7 plus 2, third layer is 2 boxes. 7 plus 2, 9. Yes children? So how many you got it? 4 plus 3 plus 2. How much? 9. Okay, G answer is how much? 4 plus 3 plus 2. 9. Okay, so write this in your classwork children. By this your second lesson has been completed. In the next session we'll go on with our next class, next chapter. We'll just learn knowing numbers. Okay, what is our next lesson? Knowing numbers. Okay. Okay children, take care. Be in home, stay in home, stay safe.